He's a very supportive of ours, stands with us around St. Paul area. He's our friend, longtime friend again. So welcome.
Wow, what an honor. Thank you so much for this. On a less serious note, I always tease with my Oromo friend that I'm Oromo. And I heard of the Oromo community for years, probably over 30 years already. I have a coworker working with me at the Minnesota Council nonprofit then. And later on, when I campaigned in 2012, I got to know Mr. Abraham and also Dr. Adujali, Tashite, Dr. Hassan, and whole gamut, Farhan. I know quite a large number of you. And so I hear so much about Oromo. It touched my heart, and I want to go there one day. I want to go there one day with all of you. I hear so much, it almost feels like it's my homeland as well. And I will stand by with you. I have been working in partnership with Tashite, bring economic dollars to NDC. I also work with Jean Gallego to bring economic development to build the east side St. Paul, for the Horn of Africa as well. And I also work with Farhan, to help shed some light on establishing the Oromo Chamber of Commerce. So that's my little history, that I have with the Oromo community. But most important of all, I will never stand down when it comes to human rights, and will stand with you. When it comes to international issue and we're far apart, sometimes we're not informed on international issue. And I have to do my own research. And even though based on that tough research, all I need to do is just ask my Somali neighbor, has the Oromo people been treated unfairly? They say yes. And I ask my other East African neighbors, and they say the same. And that already concurs that I will have to be stand next to you. Not just that, my Oromo, you are my friends, and most important of all, you are Minnesotan, Oromo Minnesotan. Lastly, I want to say that please vote for my friend John Hoffman. Broken Park, Broken Center chaplain is Oromo Minnesotan. So we cannot let him fade away here. He's my brother in the Senate, so I'm counting on all of you. I know that some of you live in St. Paul East Side. I'm counting on those of you who live in St. Paul East Side, but I'm counting more for you because the majority of you live on this side of the town. So please make sure that he does not fade away and win again. So I'm looking forward to serving him. One last word, and I want to try this. A friend of mine wrote this for me. He said he wrote it for me to say, Ani Muraka Hakanama Fike Tuma Famata. Famata. Thank you. Kalatoma.
Thank you, Senator Foung. We're here, we're supportive, and thank you for standing in solidarity with us.